Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. In this video, I will explain about raw material costs. So, enjoy the video. Definition of raw material costs. Raw material costs is the money a company spends to buy the main material used in making products. These materials are very important because they become part of the final product. First, cost of main materials in production. Second, used to create finished goods. Third, include as direct costs. Types of raw materials. First, direct material. Second, indirect materials. Third, supporting materials. Direct materials are the main part of the product, like fabric in clothes. Indirect materials are not part of the final products but help the process, like glue or oil. Supporting materials are used to make the work easier and smoother during production. Example of raw materials. Description. Raw materials can be found in many industries and in daily life. For example, wood is used to make tables and chairs. Fabric is used to make clothes, and flour is used to make a bread. These materials are important because without them, the product cannot be made. The point is, wood for furniture, fabric for clothes, and flour for bread. How to calculate? First, beginning stock. Second, material purchase. Third, ending stock. To calculate raw material costs, we start with the beginning stock of materials. Then, we add the materials purchased during the period. After that, we subtract the ending stock. The results show how much material is actually used in a process. Why is important? First, the point is effect production costs. Second, help control expense. And third, help set price. Rencana mitigasi risiko. Raw material cost is very important because it affects the total cost of production. If the cost of a material is high, the production cost will also be high. By managing this cost well, companies can control their expense and decide the right selling price for their product. Factors that affect costs. First, market. Second, material supply. And third, usage efficiency. There are several factors that affect raw materials. Cost. First, market price can go up or down. Second, the availability of materials can also affect costs. Third, how efficiency materials are used in product will impact the total cost. Waste of overuse can increase expense. And how to control costs. Companies can control raw materials cost in several ways. They can plan purchase carefully to avoid buying too much or too little. They also need to check how materials are used to reduce waste. Good stock management help ensure materials are available when needed without excess. So the conclusion is in conclusion, raw materials costs are is a key part of production. It needs to be managed properly to keep costs under control. If a company can manage its raw materials well, It can reduce expense, increase efficiency, and improve overall profit. So that's all about my explain. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.